Alright, now I'm going to show how to add video transitions. I'm sure your eyes are already going at the right side over here, and you're right. That's where we are going to edit or add a video transition. So we can also do it over here. So I'm more comfortable over here. So as you can see, we have all the options, and this is what we are going to play with right now. And when you click this arrow, you're going to get all these video transitions which are inbuilt with Premiere Pro. The first one is 3D motion. You're going to get two types of transitions. Let's start off with the cube spin. So what you need to do is click on that, drag it, and place it upon the video where you want. And note this point, not anywhere over here at the starting of the video. And if you can see it closely, you got a rectangular box, which means you have the cube spin transition right now. So let's play it and see if it's going to work.
What is up, guys?
So as you can see, we got a cool video transition. So I'll just mute the audio for now so that it's going to be clear, so that whenever I talk, mute. So as you can see, this is for mute track. So as you can see, we got the cube spin effect right here, and you can also extend it by just pulling or dragging your cursor upon the transition and just dragging it till the place you want, and it's going to be that big. So also, this is the start point and end point. You can what we say um, adjust it even over here. So yes, this is how it is. Alright, now let us add flip over and paste it in the video. Flip over and place it in the video right now. Alright, as you can see, we got the flip over transition right here. So I'll show you even that. As you can see, that's the flip over, and as said before, you can drag it till you wherever you want, and you are going to get this effect control tab for this. You can do it reverse, you can do show actual resources, you can also customize what we say number of minutes, seconds, etc. So this is pretty cool. You can mess with this around. So let's play it and let's see how it looks. As you can see, it looks pretty cool, right? So anyways, let's delete this flip over right now so that I can show you other transitions. Dissolve has many. I can't go through all this because it's going to take hours and hours, but just for your understanding, I'll take a clear what we say a cool one, which is Morph Cut. So let's place it over here. It's going to take some time because it's what we say rendering automatically, so it's going to take a couple of seconds for loading, but anyways, we got this. So as you can see, Morph Cut can't apply to single clip. So as you can see, we need to have multiple clips. So as said before, if you're working with short films or something like that, if you're going to have clips top and bottom, this Morph Cut is going to work. So I'll be showing it to you next time, but for now, let's take another dip to white or dip to black or cross dissolve. um, Cross dissolve. So let's drag it, place it. So if you also closely look at this video can't be placed somewhere over here. You're going to get the cross in, but if you place it at this beginning of the video, this is going to be get applied. So alright, so as you can see, this works. It's going to start off from very opaque, dim to lighten. So as you can see, this is cross dissolve, and you can also do the editing over here. You can increase the timing, and in case you don't want cross dissolve and you want something else, drag it and just drop it on the same clip which you have what we say added before, and it's going to change to that one. So this is dip to black, which means it's going to be it's going to get black, same like cross dissolve, but not very opaque but fully black. Now dip to white, we can do the same thing, drag and drop to the dip to black, and it's going to change. So yep, this is how you use video transitions. And I'll cover up one more topic, which is iris. Why not iris? So iris box. So let's try this. Let's drag it. Let's drop it on this. And as you can see, this is just like a zoom. This is like a Ken frames, which we used to do in iMovies, which I showed you before in my tutorial. This is just like Ken frames. Like so let's play it. Alright, so as you can see, this is just like Ken frames, and I guess you can increase time by double clicking on the transition, or you can just drag it, or you can also do it over here. You have three options, depends upon your convenience. Alright, this is how, so let's delete this. Alright, so this is how you use video transitions. You're going to get video transitions option in FX control at the right side, or if you're in the option of editing, you're going to get option right here, as you can see right here in the assembly section. But if you're in the section of effects, you're going to get all effects over here, and over here you're going to get the video effect controls. Alright, this is how you add video transitions.